இல்ல வீட்டுக்கு போல வரேன் வரேன் வரேன். வாங்க மேம் வரேன் வரேன். இந்த சின்ன குட்டி தான் வரா. இதான் எங்க வீடு. வந்து பாருங்க கார் நிக்குது பாருங்க. கார் அந்த வீட்டு கார் நிக்குது இல்ல, அதுதான் எங்க வீடு. அவன் தான் இப்ப சின்னவன் தான் எடுத்துட்டு வரான், வண்டி எடுக்கிறான்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
Good evening, all. I welcome you all to the third day national level FDP program on next gen deep learning from foundational concepts to applied intelligence. I welcome the resource person, Dr. G. Soniya Priyatharsini, Professor, Dr. M.G. RERI Chennai. So I welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, Herlin, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. So today she'll be explaining about the title Deepfakes and Synthetic Media Technology, Ethics and Detection. So now I invite Ms. J. Benisha Janice to introduce the chief guest.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, am I audible?
Audible, audible, Benisha, you start.
So, good evening, everybody. Once again, I welcome all the participants to our national level FDP. So, it's my privilege to introduce our esteemed resource person, Dr. G. Soniya Priyatharsini, PhD, PDF, professor in the Department of Computer Science at MGR Educational and Research Institute, Chennai. Dr. Sonia is a dynamic and passionate educator with over 16 years of experience in teaching and research. She holds a PhD in technology and pursued her postdoctoral fellowship in deep learning at Singapore Institute of Technology. Throughout her academic journey, she has guided PhD scholars, published numerous research papers in reputed journals and conferences, and holds multiple patents in the fields of AI, IoT, and cloud computing. She has also been actively involved in organizing international conferences, chairing sessions, and serving on important academic panels and committees such as BOS and NAC. Dr. Sonia has authored books in the areas of IoT, machine learning, cloud computing, and web technologies. And she is a member of reputed professional organizations like ACM, IAENG, and ISTA. Her contributions have been recognized with several awards for her academic and outreach activities. We are grateful to have her here to share her knowledge and insights with us. Now I kindly hand over the session to Dr. G. Soniya Priyatharsini. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, Benisha, ma'am. So, Herlin, ma'am, can I share the screen now?
Okay, ma'am, you can share.
Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. That is a wonderful introduction, and thank you for having me today. So, before going to the session, I just want to ask you everyone a simple question. That is, let us consider that you're receiving a video from your institutional head. I know, I hope everyone are from academic institutions. So we are working as a professors or associate professor, whatever. So you may be receive your a video from institutional head, maybe from the president or chairman, that from tomorrow onwards, okay, from tomorrow onwards, you are going to work for only 4 days per week. Okay, right. Likewise, you are getting a video means how will you react? It will be happy, right? You'll be happy and very joyful, and you'll be discussing with your friends and all, right? So after half an hour, you're receiving a video. Again, you're receiving a video from the same person saying that that was a previous video was a fake video, and this is the original. Someone morphed, some students or some other institution member morphed their face, and they did some illegal thing, and they have released a fake video saying that 4 days working day. But you're going to work for 6 days, that's the true thing. So like this, you are getting a video means, again, you're getting a second video, that's the true. Video means how will you react? You may be confused and, you'll get frustrated, right? That is what deepfake video will do. So this is what we are going to see about in this session. So that is, today we are going to live in a technology can create everything and anything. Nowadays, the world is going to like that. So they are going to create anything and everything in this world. And one of the powerful technologies is that deepfake. So that is what we are going to see about deepfake and its synthetic media, its technology, what are the ethics we are going to follow, and how can we able to detect it, right? So it is very important for us. So why it is important for us means we are going to teach the ethics for our students. So we are having nearly 60 to 65 students for our class, right? For whenever we are going to take subjects, apart from subjects, we are going to teach the ethics also for our students. So along with the subject, we are going to tell the recent technologies and the goods and bad things about that technologies. So it is very important for us to know about the recent technologies, positive sides and the negative sides. So it is good to know about this deepfake for us, that is our faculty members. And I have quoted some quotes here, which means the internet let us find anything we want, that we know, right? Whatever questions we are posting to our internet, it is giving the answers, whatever related to our food, our health, and whatever we are giving. So it is giving the answer from throughout the world. It is getting the answer and it is giving to us. But it is also means others can see what you do, right? Whenever you're posting something in social media or whatever websites you're posting, and the third person is anyway watching, because it is not in your hands, whatever data you're throwing out or whatever things you're posting about, and some third person is watching out. Yes, so it can be so you can be fooled and you can get harmed also, right? So that is what they can able to misuse our information too. Yeah, so now we can go for the introduction of this deepfake, and that is, so we know what is the deepfake, the basic introduction. It is kind of a mixture of this deep learning and the fake related to the videos or face app or whatever, right? So commonly we can say that we are using face swaps. That is the person which is not the proper main person. Someone is acting as the third person. That is what this face swaps. And voice cloning. Someone is taking your voice and he's going to act as you. That is what voice cloning. And we can able to create some manipulated videos along with the images and the voice. We can able to create the videos also. So as I said, what is this deepfake? And this deepfake is it can able to change this technology. It can able to change some person's expressions, right? So it can able to capture some person's face activity, and within 3 seconds, it is going to change whatever the person is. It is not going to change the whole features, but only the eye blink or the nose reaction or the voice of the modulation of the voice, or so it is just it's going to change some minimum features and it is going to give the final product. That is what the main danger about this deepfake. It is not going to change everything. It is just changing some minimal features, expressions, or some body movements. We can able to say that a fake video of a celebrity giving a speech that they never gave. Okay, so someone can receive a video of a celebrity saying that tomorrow onwards I'm going to working on some Hollywood film. So likewise, we can able to say, or we can able to accuse a person that this person did some wrong thing about the wrong statement about the political thing. So likewise, we can able to say that we can see the videos. So this person is explaining whatever he's not doing, right? So that is what fake video is about. So next one is deepfake in audio. So what is this audio is? It mimics this. We are having many algorithms in AI. So that this algorithm, what this will do is, it will mimic the voice of the particular person and tone and speaking style to create some fake voice recordings. So this is usually we used to get the calls, and we used to get the news about this, a fake phone call which sounds like your teacher or a parent, but it is not them. So likewise, this AI algorithms can mimic the voice. So next to this, deepfake in image. So what this AI will do, it is creating a realistic photo looking like it never happened. So a photo showing someone in a place they never have been, or doing something they never did. So this is some type of deepfake problem. And then the final is, and important is, documents. So this can be happened in the financial area, and text-based deepfake, which is fake written content. So these tools, AI tools, what these tools will do is, this will create a fake content and fake interviews, fake news articles, or some forged documents. So a false news report which is spreading along. So whenever you are getting an image in WhatsApp or in any social media or meme like thing we can receive, so we don't know whether it is true or false. We just see the images and wordings. It may be true in 90%, but sometimes the people, what this AI will, with the help of AI will do, they will change some letters and they will just forward to other. So that is what we used to say was what this deepfake in documents and all. So these are 4 are the main areas we have to concern about. So as I said, deepfake is the synthetic media. It is creating something which is not true, right? So I'm going to show some photos. I don't know how many of you have watched this Mission Impossible film. So in Mission Impossible movies, it is very famous, the scenes and all. I hope you have watched this. That is, this Tom Cruise, this character, Ethan Hunt, what he will do, he will often use realistic face mask and voice changes, right? So he used to, every time in all the maximum film, he used to use this. His team often use this face mask and voice changes to impersonate other people, so third people. So he will just watch or he will listen for the person whom he want to impersonate us, and he will change, create a mask like that, and he will just act as the third person. So this is exactly what deepfake does. So, but instead of mask and makeup, it uses artificial intelligence. That's it. So in the previous days, they are trying to use as what? Mask, putting mask, and he's like changing the tone, trying to do the tone. But this deepfake, what it is doing is using AI tools. We are having nowadays, we are having technology, right? So with the help of these tools, we are going to change the voice, action, and videos and audios. So recently in this film also, you can see that Vijay Kant sir is no more, but he is again we can see his pictures in the recent movies, and also this actor Vivek, he is also no more. While acting the film, he is replaced by someone else, and we can able to see. So these are all using this AI technology, right? So we are having goods and bads. So why we have to we should care about this, why this is danger, and why we are going to concentrate on this area is, so this can spread many false information. That is what we have to note it down. So we can this AI can impersonate a person who is not doing anything false, but he can able to accuse for which he is not done anything, right? In the media, this is really dangerous. So in recent days we are seeing many news about this. That is, this deepfakes are threat to democracy, and it entered into the politics, and it is spreading very many false news about these people, whether they are doing the right thing or wrong thing. But this media is having strong connection, and he can able to spread the news very fastly. So the images are created, because the image is not 100% false. They are just altering some few letters or few words, and they are just spreading. So we are very good in spreading the news, right? So the media are using our people to spread these news very easily. So we have in the recent days, we are getting more news about this. That is, in the first deepfake audio, some CEO is losing some crores of money using with the problem of this deepfake videos, and Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk. So they are going to create some technology that, like, we have received something. So likewise, recently in India also, see, some good side also happened. So we know that the Bhavdarini character is no more now, but she, in the recent film, they have used her voice to create a song, right? So these are all good things of this deepfake. So how it is going to be look like? Excuse me, 1 minute.
இந்த காரமும் போட்டு சின்னதா ஏதாவது பிளேட்ல போட்டு கொடுத்துறேன். அந்த கையில ஊட்டின்னு இருக்கு, இந்த காரம் போடுதுன்னு நினைக்கலாம்.
Hey, Lato.
Herlin, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry for the interruption. Okay, we'll continue. So this is what they will do, right? Can you see the screen now? Helen, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Let's see the screen, right? Yeah. So here we are having two people, that is Fallon and Oliver. So what they will do is they are not going to take the whole part of the body. They are just changing the features of the face. So the first image, that's a virgin, and second image, Oliver is also the original image. But the swapped image is what? The body position and the background, everything is same, but only the features of the face are changed. So now this is the combined image of this Fallon and Oliver, right? So likewise this, so a baby's name picture is mobbed with the another person, and now we are getting the another video. So likewise we can able to, this they are going to use some algorithms and using AI algorithms, and they are going to change the first image along with the people they want to add, and they can able to give the third image. So recently we have came across this video that is it is a whole Indian people were known about this problem. Because of this issue only, we are aware of this deepfake term, right? This heroine's name picture faces mobbed with some other women, and this is created a big issue here. And yeah, so next is how can we able to trust our senses? So why this is dangerous? That is what we can able to say. So this gives the misinformation and disinformation. So social engineering is very important before attacking a vendor. So whoever using the data and whoever falsifies the news. So before going to do that, we have to clarify whether the data is very true or not. So why this, we call this deepfake is dangerous? So because as I said, it gives the misinformation. So usually it spread the false information, and especially in politics and social issues. So whether the people quoted any statement or not, this media will spread the AI designed video, that is the false image, right? So whatever media, that is social medias or news medias, whatever, we people also used to spread, we are used to share with our friends group, whether the news is true or not, we used to do, right? Whenever you are getting a new image or new quote about a recent celebrity means, we used to, with the curiosity, we used to share. That is the most powerful thing of this AI. That is, it will increase the tempt of the people to share the images. So it will destroy the reputation also. So it will destroy the reputation of whoever. It may be a celebrity or a common person. So it will automatically damage the reputation. So it will not compromise, or we can't able to take the illegal activities also, because if a person is well settled in financially, or if the person is having some good background, means he can able to take any action about that. Just like Rashmika, if you are having some good background or we are good connection, means they can able to take action. But if a common person, your college student, one of your student is facing this issue, means how will you take this action without knowing who sent this or who created this image or photo about that particular person? We don't know how to take action. Even though if you are having some knowledge about that, means also we have to spend more money on that to find that or to meet any persons and all. So to create or to spread information about a person, it may be a celebrity or any common person, it is very important to know whether the information is right or wrong. And also it creates some frauds and scams, which means deepfake voice. Recently we used to come across many false calls, right? So just give me the OTP, send me the voice record. So what they are doing is they are just recording our voice. So if a mother and a daughter is there, means they will call the mother first. So they will call and they will just talk. They are spending 3 minutes to record the mother's voice, right? So they will record, and within this 3 minutes, what they are doing, they are recording and they are saving this voice. And with the voice of this mother, recorded voice, they will train their AI algorithm, and they will create a new audio, and they will call the daughter with this voice. Okay, so this recorded voice, they will call the targeted student, that is our daughter. They will call, and with the mother's voice they will speak. I am admitted in hospital, and whatever they will say, and they will ask the daughter to come to particular person, or they will demand some money. So they need just 3 minutes for record this voice. So first they will attack the weak area and weak link, and then from that voice they are going to target the people around there. So next, so if we are we should aware that if you are getting any voice or a call or without any wrong call, means we should cut the call immediately. We should not give the chance for them to attend the record our voice. That is important. That is why they used to say the common telephones and common Wi-Fi calls and all, you should not allow, right? So then this will impersonate the family members, also the officials of any company, CEOs also. So they will just say, okay, CEO, he's asking the computer password, so just give. So likewise, we may face many issues. So it also caused legal and ethical issues too. So this is important for privacy and identity theft. So we used to say that if you are not using any mail ID, or if you are not using any unused data and all, you may think, okay, someone is using, we don't care about. So no, not like that. It should be if you are not using, some third person or some terrorist may use this accounts for their own transactions. So you have to very careful if you are not using any spaces from internet. If you are not using it, kindly delete it, or just come out of that space, because if you are not, someone is using that. So using someone's likeness without permission is illegal in many countries, right? So that is what it create the ethical issues. So then it is also creating the erosion of trust. So if deep fakes become widespread, people might stop trusting real videos too. So some years before, the prank videos are very common usually. So someone is falling down and we will go and give water. So they will say this prank, and so after that, if really someone is falling down and they are asking for water means also we don't mind, because, we may think that is a prank. So likewise, this real call, if our daughter is calling us and we are asking for some help means, we will have a doubt for 1 second whether it is true or not, right? So likewise, we are facing many issues because of this. And we are having some history of this deepfake. So we may think that nowadays only we are seeing this deepfakes. So no, it is started from 2014. As we see in this PPT, this Ian Goodfellow, he have developed this GAN technology. So from this only, they have started this as a fun fact. So 2015, they have developed. Then 2017, so the deepfake videos are very popular from 2017. They swap celebrity faces. So they used to swap many faces, and that becomes very famous. After that, nearly in 18 to 20, we may have seen this face app videos, face app application. What they will do, already they are having many videos. If we are uploading, they will ask us to upload the video. We may have saw that application. They will ask us to upload our video. So with the curiosity or interest, we will upload our video, our photo. So already existing videos, what they will do, they will merge our pictures, our photos in that particular video, and they will show the new video called face app, right? So first it was started as a fun, and we will be having, okay, we will dance with new clothes, new physique, and it will be interesting. But day by day, they are saving our photo, and they are sending this to some third party, and it is dangerous, fast dangerous to us. They have started spreading the fake news in political videos and started cyberbullying too. So now we are having both good and bad ways for this, use of good and bad ways. So in movies and all, as we said, we can able to see the persons. So how this structure is going on. So the first thoughts, then propaganda, entertainment, and how this trust of a particular video is getting reduced, right? So how these people are using this defect video. So it was previous days, as I said, they used to say, I am having a video of you, and I will spread along with your college friends, or I will with your family, and I will spoil your name. So likewise, they are just targeting one particular person, and they started abusing that particular person. If it is true or false, either the video is true or not, they started this person started blackmailing that, or started abusing, and then they started to spread misinformation. That is the problem. Then now they started to steal money or get money from the big CEOs, or any normal persons also. They started blackmailing them and getting the money from them. So they used to steal the server password, they get the password or whatever do, and they are getting the obtaining information of a particular or particular Aadhaar within the PAN card and Aadhaar number from itself. They can able to take the main information about that particular people, right? So likewise, they started to getting an OTP. So likewise, information they are gathering. So they now and nowadays what their threat is coming is just like tampering the evidence. If a person is doing some illegal activity like smuggling, or he's killing something, and he can able to go enter the police information system, and they can destroy the evidences also. So nowadays video is also not they are taking as proof. So one of the proof, but not 100% proof they are not accepting because of this type of fake videos. So what is this? Science begins. So how this is going to work? So we are going to give the image one, that is image fake, I'm saying, okay? So first image and then image two, then we are going to give some algorithms. These people, they are using some AI algorithms, and they are going to take the common features of this A and B. So from the A and B, they are going to set the hairstyle, or here they're moving mouth or something. They are finding the features, and then they are giving the final, taking out the final deepfake image, right? So from the original image, they are going to decode the final image, just like this. So giving the first image and second image, they are taking the common features, the outline or something else, and they are just giving the final image. So what are the techniques they are using for this deepfakes? So we are having face swap. In the starting itself, we have seen they are concentrating on face swap, voice, and then body puppetry, lip syncing. So we are having this face swap. What is this face swap? Is like we are going to concentrate on one paper, first image. They are going to change some features, and they are going to give the second image. They are going to use in the new edited videos. So next is voice cloning. As I said, they are going to record your voice for a few minutes, and from that recorded, they are going to send your voice to some people, your surroundings. You may have heard that from the Facebook in recent days, they used to send messages. I'm in danger, so kindly send me 2,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. I like this from your account. So they are sending. Also, they are sending the voice record along with the video recording. Also, they are just sending. So they have, as I said, they are not going to change the total features. They are just changing only they used to record the original video, or they have extracted your original video from somewhere else. You may be posted somewhere in social media, wherever. So whatever in your social media, they are taking that particular video, and they're just changing the lip syncing with your voice. They are just changing the voice, and just syncing. They moving, and they are creating this body puppetry also. So likewise, they are going to change this. So next is how they are doing this. So face, how they are going to do the designing the face. As I said, first image and second image, from the same features, they are just training it, and they are going to give the final edited videos. That is just like this, right? So here, how they are going to target. See, just giving the misinformation. So that is, one person is talking about something, but only the lip syncing is going to change. So if the person is giving a positive comment about a quote or something, any incident, but the only the lip syncing is changing, and they are giving the negative. The video is shown us. They have given the wrong comments about that particular event. So likewise, we are going to see the video through in the live video also. They are doing now. See, just like this, they are going to change the lip syncing, only the syncing, not totally. They are not going to edit the video, just only the lip syncing they are going to change. And voices, as I said, recently we had case around in Karnataka, it seems. The person got a call, and this person, the father, he got a call of saying that, Papa, I have met with an accident. Suddenly, just immediately send me the amount, and I need to pay in the hospital just like that. So the father, he got he frightened, and he just paid. And immediately he sent 5,000 rupees. And again, he tried calling that son, but the son, later he attended, and he said no, he didn't call that person. So this is the recent case in Karnataka, that is, he just lost 5,000 at that time, but at the same time, he one 73-year-old retired government employee in Kozhikode, right? So he lost his 40,000 rupees because of this deepfake video, because he got a video of his daughter saying that she got then some accident, and she got to pay some ransom amount like that. So she paid 40. This father, he paid 40,000 amount, and he lost it. So just like that, the voice and video recordings are spread very popularly, and they are without proper knowledge. They are just spending it, right? So next, these are the news. Recent newspapers, we are getting this news about this deepfake voices, and what are the things happening behind that. So as I said, see, this recently one share market investor in 2024, November 5th. This is on Times India. We got this news about a person, he lost 95 lakhs because of this video. Because, he during video call with Narayanamurthy and Mukesh Ambani. See how he got fraud. See, this person lost 95 lakhs. This particular person is introduced to the third person, and that third person did a video call with this Narayanamurthy and Mukesh Ambani, saying that they are going to invest in his company, and they believed it, right? So just like that, so Karnataka, they got 12 deepfake videos because of this crime, cyber crime. Then voice, as I said, voice, how they are going to attack is, first this person A is going to call, this attacker is going to call person A, and he is going to record the voice, and then he is going to train his algorithm, and then he is going to call B. So now this B is the target, and from this B, he is going to get the what he is targeted for. He is going to get the money from this particular B. So it won't take much time. That is the thing. So if the person is calling A and the A is having some doubt, means he can't able to call all the family members whether they get any calls and all. So without much time, he will call the B person, and he will do whatever he want, right? So we have to be very careful about this calls and all. So media editing, this already we know. In our phone itself, we used to do, we are getting if you are taking any images, if you want to remove any app of we have to change the background of our photo and all, means we used to do very usually. That is, we can able to, we used to think that is okay. While we are sitting in the home itself, we can show a picture of sitting in a 5-star hotel or some good natural background like this. But they are all saving in some third-person server. So they used to sell this pictures. We used to think what they are going to do with our pictures, but they are going to take our pictures, and they are going to sell to third party. This third party, from minimum amount, they will hackers like people will get the images, and they will use for their pornography and whatever and all, right? So whatever pictures we are taking, it's with very careful. Likewise, the media editing. So this is how, if a person is walking or not, we can able to easily edit it, and we are going to remove the particular object from that picture is also, right? This is the algorithm behind that. I'm not going much behind that. And the good positive positive thing about this deepfake is what it is hugely, we are using that in the medical area. So in the using deep learning nowadays, your computer science and medical field are very much working together to give good things in the medical field, because we are creating many research papers, and they are working together to find many IoT devices. And because of this deepfake videos, we can able to easily treat cancer, not remove, just maximum we can able to treat cancer by using this images. We can able to fill the areas which is not already existing. So we can able to manipulate it. That is why we are going to see about this. And how we are going to use this deepfake attackers in this defenses. They are also, as we know that with the if a chief army officer is there, and this officer is going to give some orders to the persons, those who are very distance area. If he's going to give some orders, means he can using this deepfake videos, we can able to give some falsify information, just attack the nearby country or stop the war. So likewise, we can able to spread the inappropriate action, right? So just like that, we have, these are all the technologies. That is what are things we are going to concentrate on this deepfake and defenses. Is usually blending and psychological attacks are very important. So they are going to concentrate on this. As I said, they are not going to change totally the features. They are just capturing whatever expressions they need. Only the eye blink or just the reaction of the nodding head and lip movement that they are concentrating on. So it's a threat. It's a main threat to our defense. That is attacking the national security. The deepfake can be a cyber weapon. So previously, and all, we used to say what they are going to give, a big size, atom bomb, like waste first and all. Then bio war. Now it's simple cyber weapon. So this cyber weapon. Hello. Okay, so now we are going to use cyber weapon. That is what deepfake is for. This deepfake can be used as a cyber weapon. So these can spread the false videos very easily and confuse the soldiers and publics using wartime, right? Fake battlefield videos and all. So it creates. So recently also we used in the Pakistan war. During Pakistan war, they have sent a image of that they have Pakistan have destroyed our Indian area. So likewise, they have started sending messages. Okay, they have conquered Indian area, Indian, likewise they have started. But our army people went to that particular area and they took the photo and they given to the news media that saying that nothing is destroyed, everything is okay only. So likewise, they have easily they can able to manipulate the people with these videos and images, right? So they can also confuse the people. So whether, we may think, okay, we have started defend that, like that, we can so weaken our country's status, right? So for that psychological thing, they are spreading. They can spread with this deepfake images or videos. It's also used to do disinformation, and it can conduct, as I said, we can able to conduct psychological operations using this, right? So next, awareness. How we can able to stop this is only by counterattacks. If you are getting this videos, first we have to stop spreading that. Yeah, why we are going to afraid of this? Yes, it's a big threat. As I said, it's a big threat to people, for our individual people, also to the whole public. Yeah, so how it is going to spread? So a person who can be able to available in a particular area, but this physically he is available in the third party area. But see here, we can able to, in this middle image, we can see 3 people standing, but one person is not there. Still his physical body with the physical what is it, physical, some physical alike person is there, but the particular person is not there. His face is just swapped with along with some people and along with another person, and just shown in the big image that he is standing there, but he is not there. Likewise, it's also voice cloning during the video calls, meetings and all. See the person who is not there, but he is replying along with these algorithms used by this AI. So what can we do? We have to do some tests. So what are the risks because of this deepfakes? We saw this political fake speeches can be spread very easily, and we can destroy the reputation of the politics. So financial matters, the CEO can able to, he can able to, he have to make the payments and all. Personals, it's a revenge, cyberbullying, privacy invasion. So these are the things based on the risk of this deepfakes, right? So we are having some apps for this. We have to identify these apps. So just once in a row, if you are checking any your students or any your daughter or son's mobile, just go through it, whether you're having this app. If yes, just delete it. For fun they may use, but this is not good. So what's the need of detecting this deepfakes? As we know, it spreads rumors a lot, and it's destroying people's peace, and it creates a psychological war, and it's giving a negative publicity. As I said, face swap, that app, no, that is at first it is very entertaining, and it is it looks fun, but it is not correct way to use our people pictures there. So it is why we say this is a dangerous thing. It is the reputation is getting damaged. That is why. So how can we prevent this deepfakes? We are having some detection techniques. So using this high-end people, means in IT people and all, they can develop some algorithms, and they can help people. And if your students are good in developing apps and all, you can able to you can ask simple algorithms just to identify, just to use your mobile properly. You can ask. Otherwise, it's a simple things. It's a simple clues I have given. That is, look for visual and audio clues. That is, whenever you are seeing a video or an image, the image or videos, it may be having it will be maybe having blurry edges. That is the video images. For videos, it is a unnatural blinking and lip movement. So for videos, we may think, well, this lip is not syncing to the voice recording properly, right? So likewise, so we can able to think, and we can connect it with, okay, we can have to always we have a doubt of your getting a video whether it is true or false. So mismatch with the voice and lip sync. So, and the shadows and lightings, this is inconsistent, because for before few seconds it will be different, and after a few seconds it is totally contrast. So likewise, we have to be very careful while seeing the video whether it is true or false. And then common sense and critical thinking, where if you are getting a video or image from a person, it's normal, not only deepfake videos, whether whatever images or videos you are getting information from a person, you should trust the source. You should ask whether this is from the trusted source, whether it is from your boss. If you are getting even from your boss, means also you have to just with the question mark whether it is true or not. You have to whether it is concerned along with the official documents. It is official. We have to confirm it with 2 or more sources whether it is true or not. So as we said, we have to use many tools in our mobiles itself to stop getting this AI related videos or images. So main thing is you have to educate yourself. So the phone calls, we all know, we are all aware of that now. So if you are some person is calling you and asking you the OTP, means you should not give. So that OTP thing we all aware of now. Maximum, I think 80 to 85% we are aware of that. Even our parents also, we used to tell about this and in our area. So now about this deepfakes, it is our responsibility as a faculty members, our responsibility to teach our students about this. And just for fun also, you should not edit this to get some website, just logging some website and giving a photo and edit it, and just to change the dress. Some students are doing that, to take a passport size photo. They are not going to passport office. Sorry, photo studio. They are just changing the along with their. So they are doing in the system itself. So that's not correct, because that online website is saving that particular photo. So we have given our photo to that particular website. So that is not correct way. And also for editing our documents, our giving all the information to the unknown website, that is also not proper thing. So you have to think twice while giving your information to the third party. This is, as a faculty, we should know, and our students should know. We have to give awareness to our students also. So whatever thing, as I said in the starting of the our session, we should teach our students our subject wise things. Along with that, we should teach how the society is going, and we have to give awareness about our technology also, good things and both the bad things also we should teach them, and so that they will be getting the awareness of that, right? So these are the real cases we have gone through. That is recently, not recently, some years before, that Barack Obama, he himself, without his knowledge, first with the permission of him, but without his presence, they have created a video about him. He talked, someone received a video about Barack Obama. He's talk about this awareness, but he's not talking. Okay. So likewise, they started spending a video, the spreading, and they got everyone got that video. Barack Obama is talking about that deepfake, but he's not speaking in true. So this is what the awareness creating. So if your colleges, they are creating videos and all, means many colleges now started advertising about this admissions and all, right? So we can able to create about this awareness video also with the students help. You can create a video about this, spread awareness about this, not to forward, first thing, not to forward any videos or any images about your not only your friends, about the politics things or about your media persons. Is it true? It may be true or false. It's not none of our business to defame a person or spread any bad thing about them. Negative publicity usually spreads fastly, but it's not correct thing to give, right? So finally, I have to say, what are the positive sides also? We are having positive sides. As I said in the starting, once a person is not in this earth, he left the earth, but still the people having respect on him, and then we can able to see this bring that person in a film industry and all. We can able to see that particular person with the de-aging features, right? So that is one of the positive, maybe. And then language transition. If you are going for another country, if you are not having any proper knowledge about that particular language, with this AI features, we can able to use that. So we are having some education help. So likewise, we are having positive sides also, but negatives is spreading fast. So we should use it very ethically. It can be entertain our people only if you are using it ethically. As I said, it is used in the entertainment area to give new techniques without this much financial expenditure. So it is good in medical area. It is giving some therapy and mental health possibilities. So it is spreading of some marketing business people. It is helping. So we are having good positive sides also. Try to concentrate on this positive side, and we should aware of this negative side. So that's it. Thank you. Hope you all got some points about deepfake. So thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Any queries from the participant side?
Thank you, Jayalakshmi ma'am.
Any queries? Shall we wind up?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Herlin ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your valuable time with us. And your presentation on this deepfakes. I think it's very informative. I think the participants have gained a deeper understanding about the challenges and the complexities in deepfakes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for sharing your valuable time and your expertise.
Thank you,
Once
Helen. So
again,
I can leave, right?
Okay, ma'am. We can leave.
Participants, your feedback link is in chat. Use that. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, all the participants. So the feedback link has been shared. Kindly enter the feedback. Thank you. Thank you all.